Hello guys, in this lesson, we're going to talk about using Facebook Stories to promote your products. Let's get started. Facebook Stories can be a great tool that you can use to promote your products with your customers. It's a tool that most Facebook users enjoy browsing. It continuously plays to show the next Facebook user stories. It's fun to share your daily activities like photos or short videos. It also disappears after 24 hours. Also, stories can help your products be discovered by your potential buyers. As a seller, you'll be able to determine who viewed your story. This can help your brand as you can take note of the people who are interested in your products. Take note that Facebook stories are not visible for people who don't follow your page. Now start adding stories to your marketing strategies. First, you can upload photos or videos showcasing products to your customers. You can shoot close-up photos of your products, then add text to your stories. This example shows two of their brand's products. They can allow their viewers to choose from two choices. On your mobile device, you can choose an option here, but on your web app, you won't be able to use this feature. If you upload videos, you have to cut your long video into short 10-second videos and upload them individually to make it as a continuous video on your stories. Next, share a photo or video of your services. You can use a template designed for Facebook Stories using free visual tools like Canva, which also has a template for Facebook Stories. Choose among the available templates, and you can add photos of your services, add text about your services, your social media accounts, and how people can contact you. You can also share the stories of your customers, showing that they enjoyed your services, and feature them in your stories. In this example, the brand with a fitness service showcases a few short videos of what programs are they offering to their clients. People who are into fitness and are looking for this type of service will be enticed to inquire and avail of their service. Next, share behind-the-scenes footages of your business. This allows you to share a sneak peek into what happens to your business every day. This allows your customers to see your business on a personal level. This allows your potential customers to trust your brand more. You can show them a tour of your physical store, your upcoming events, recent promotions, or a sample work that you have done for your clients. In this example, this brand shows the people behind their business, and they are showing a client's van where they are applying their services and a sample prototype of their design for a client. People who want to modify their cars will be enticed to avail their services. Next, ask your customers to share your product as their stories. When your customers share the products that they have purchased from your business, their friends on Facebook will see their stories and be intrigued about your products. They might ask their friends where they purchased that product, and your brand can be discovered by new customers just from a word of mouth. The recommendation from their friends will help them choose your brand over your competitors. Also, your customers can tag your business name in their story. Doing this will allow anyone who views their stories to discover your business page. Next, thank your buyers for their purchases. Take a photo that includes all the products that you have sold lately, then add text to thank your customers. This way, you can showcase the recent purchases from your customers. This strategy works as people will be intrigued about your products and learn that you have regular customers who enjoy the quality of your products. They can check out your page and be enticed to try your products as well. Next, share your discount offers as stories. When people view your promotion on the story section, they will be encouraged to go to your page and discover your product promotions. They are interested to avail discount offers. This is a sure way to attract more people to your products, especially if your promotion shows a limited time offer, such as a special promo just for today. They can easily be redirected to your Facebook page and learn about the special promotion. Now that you know about using Facebook Stories to promote your products, we can now proceed to the next chapter, Facebook Sales Tools. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.